Hi students, welcome to chemistry online classes. In the last class I discussed about the preparation of ethers from alcohol at different temperature. At low temperature it gives a ether, at high temperature it gives an alkene. So generally for this reaction, primary alcohols are required. It means unhindered alcohol required. If hindered is there, if it's substituent alcohol is there, meaning methyl ethyl substituted alcohol is there, that leads to elimination. So that also I give very clear thing for the preparation of ether. For example, this is a ether alcohol, that is secondary alcohol, isopropyl alcohol, secondary alcohol. This secondary alcohol treated with the concentrated H2SO4 and heat symbol given. Sometimes they will mention the temperature, sometimes they will not mention. This heat symbol given to me, you have to understand that leads to elimination reaction. When this should be secondary tertiary. If it is primary alcohol, it gives the which one? Ether. So here this is alkene form. Because here hydrogen and here OH, totally water molecule eliminate H2O, and this is also formed O like this. But this is the major, this is minor. But in the last class also I told you that this is a major condition. This is also formed when this should be diluted at lower temperature, nearly 40 degrees Celsius. That is major. But there is a rare cases. But any question given in PUC level or NEET or JEE level, you have to consider secondary and tertiary alcohols are that leads to elimination is the major product, substitution product is the minor. This substitution on this is substituted this group. That's why substitution group is generally minor when secondary and tertiary. Primary alcohol is that is a substitution is the major product is acyclic mechanism. If it is tertiary is there. This is also leads to same concentrated H2SO4 and heat symbol given me. You have to consider this will be plus water molecule. So here the ether formation is totally inhibited because it is very sterically hindered. Always sterically hindered alcohol leads to elimination reaction only. That's why there is no substitution. Minor product also not formed. This is only the major product. So keep in mind now I am using one alcohol ROH. Here ROH. Here alkyl groups are different. Before that I given this reaction is ethyl alcohol CH3CH2OH. When 2 moles taken in presence of concentrated H2SO4 at 140 degrees Celsius with mechanism also given, then you got here this is CH3, CH2, CH2, CH3, water molecule eliminated. This is because this is ethyl 1 and 2 moles are there. Then I took here same alcohol 2 moles, but I took here different alcohols 1 mole, 1 mole. This is nothing but 2 moles of ROH in presence of this condition, then we will get here ROR plus water molecule. Now I am taking here different alcohols. When you take a different alcohol in presence of this condition, concentrated H2SO4 and heat nearly 140 degrees Celsius, then we will get here ROR also possible. OR dash also possible. R dash, OR dash also possible along with the water molecule element. See, when we are taking same alcohol, then we are getting the ROR. Then here nothing is there. What is that? 1 mole. Here also 1 mole. 1 mole means having 6 into 10 power 23 molecules. That's why itself it is react like this. Hence can form this one also. Itself react with the same molecule and it can form this one also. Otherwise both combine to form this middle one also possible. That's why if you are getting like this mixture of compound, separation will be difficult. When When separation is difficult, then if you prepare also there is no use. Why separation is difficult? Because they have a near boiling point. But near, I think you will be studying the methane react with the what do you call it? In Wood's reaction, for example, in Wood's reaction, what is the Wood's reaction? RX react with the sodium metal. This is 2 mole, this is 2. Then we will get here which one? R NaX. Then you will get here 2 moles of NaX. If you use different alkyl halide, then you will get the different alkane. The different alkanes having the nearly same, nearly equal boiling point. Then the separation is difficult. That's why in Wood's reaction also we will prepare the symmetrical alkane, but not unsymmetrical alkane. Similarly, here in this, alcohol react with the concentrated H2SO for a lower temperature, it gives ether. But we will prepare which one? Symmetrical ether. Left side, right side equal. If it is a mirror plane, if it is bisect the molecule or cut the molecule, left side and right sides are equal. That is called symmetrical molecule. Here symmetrical is here symmetrical, but here unsymmetrical. Left side is R is there, right side R dash is there. So to prepare unsymmetrical ether, this method is not suitable. This is a very important point for competitive exam. Can you prepare the unsymmetrical ether by using the alcohol with the concentrated H2SO4? No. Reason? They have a nearly equal volume and separation will be difficult. When you do not separate, there is no use of preparation of that respective ether. So this is a very important point. Remember for competitive exam purpose. Now, these are which one? What do you call aliphatic. There is no ring also. If ring maybe is there, what we call for example this is ether, right? So we will form OH O like this. Otherwise, no problem. You can extend it or you can stall also, no problem. This is left side alcohol, OH group is tertiary alcohol because this carbon bonded with the 3 other carbon. So left side alcohol is tertiary, right side alcohol is secondary. So you already know the acidic nature of alcohol. Primary is more acidic than the secondary, secondary is more acidic than the tertiary. That's right. Now we form ether at this temperature in presence of acid H2SO4. Water molecule eliminated. Then we will get here ether. How many will remain? For example, like this loss, water molecule. This O is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 and here 1, 2 CH3 groups are there. And this will be only one. Okay, so this is one carbon. Then you may ask the question, here H is lost from this OH group. Here OH is lost from this tertiary alcohol. There is a possibility here H and here OH lost. Like here I am writing here OH and this OH. Then like this possibility also is there. But this is not correct method. This is only the correct reason. Proton lost easily secondary alcohol, not tertiary, because its acidic nature is more. If primary is there, primary easily lost than the secondary. That's why this is very important. Why it is important? This question only I will give like this. OH and here 18 isotopic labeling. Then I want to write here say heat and H2SO4. Then here H2 form In this H2O, O18 present or only O normally present? If option is given, the formed ether along with this water molecule. So in water molecule, which type of water molecule? B 18C H2O 16 or H2O 18 D none. If like this option is given, which option will be correct here? Already I told you that OH loss from the tertiary, H loss from the secondary. So OH means already indicated here. Oxygen is 18. That should be eliminated or remain with this molecule. Eliminate. See here, OH is eliminated. OH is eliminated in here. This will be 18. This will be 18. B option is correct. Not both. Not both. That's it. C option wrong. It is nothing but which one? Here nothing is mentioned in oxygen atomic mass how much? 16. That is common. If something isotopic form is mentioned, that this is a useful for identifying the mechanism, how it is lost water molecule or any other extra what is it that to identify. We are using the isotopic labeling. This is one of the cyclic ether. So what is the cyclic ether form here? 5-member ring. This is and this will be like same equation, but I give here isotopic labeling. Next, like this anyone may be given, you have to understand the same concept. For example, this is called, its name ethylene glycol. CH2OH, CH2OH, ethylene glycol. This ethylene glycol 2 more. React with the same H2SO4 and heat symbol is given. Then what you are expecting here? Then the student may expect here. This may be expected because 2 carbons are here. Both are primary alcohol only. That's why one is OH, other is H like this water molecule. Then you are expecting this. But here, if 1 mole is there, this is formed. But here, how many moles are there? 2 moles are there. That's why this is not a product. Which is a product? I will show you how it is reacted. These are 2 moles. This is 1 mole, this is 1 mole. Now, this is water molecule loss, and here water molecules. Then if water molecule, then what is the product form here? Like this product. This is also ether. Along with the water molecule, that is H2O, but 2 moles. Here 1 mole, here 1 mole water molecules. These are the cyclic ether form with alcohol in acidic medium. These are open chain. These are cyclic. Next, any other may be given. For example, I want to write here. This is the product. This is called THF, tetrahydrofuran. What do you call this? Is tetrahydrofuran. This is a common name of this compound. Along with this water molecule last. Right side I given here product. Then what is the reactant name here? We have to think. According to this one thing, according to this one also think. Here what is it? O. And how many carbons are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 carbon cyclic ether. Then we have to write 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the 4 carbons. Then one will be here OH, one will be here OH. Then here OH loss, here H loss. Then totally which will form a cyclic ether form. If sometimes they will give the product, then you have to write the reactant. If reactant, then you have to write the product. This is about the formation of ether from alcohol in acidic medium. But most important one here, this is a very important. Once again, you have to practice this is because here unsymmetrical ethers are not preferred, only symmetrical ethers. Reason also I given, separation will be difficult. Now the second preparation. Williamson synthesis. Otherwise, some books are maybe given Williamson ether synthesis. Totally, whatever name is Williamson synthesis reaction. This is neighborhood reaction most important. All neighborhood reactions on PUC and competitive exam purpose very important. Always you have to get the maximum neighborhood reaction. Now, the simple statement for PUC level. Alkyl halide react with the sodium alkoxide or potassium alkoxide. This is Na plus and this is RO minus. Here X, here Na combine to form what do you got? R, O and this R, that is RO or ether form NaX element. This is a ether. In your PUC exam you can write the first, this is general equation. For example, I want to write this the methyl halide. X maybe you can consider the bromine, and this may be if you want to consider same methyl is no problem. Methyl O minus Na plus. Then this methyl O and this. Actually, how it takes this reaction like this. SN2 mechanism. If you want the idea, SN2 mechanism. CH3O and this is reacted with this. Then you will get here CH3 Na plus and Br, that is NaBr. In PUC level, these two equations are enough. One statement, methyl bromide react with the sodium methoxide. If you want name, this is called sodium methoxide. This is methyl bromide. Methyl bromide react with the sodium methoxide. It gives a dimethyl ether. Dimethyl. Methyl, that is dimethyl. This is ether. If you write this statement, enough. This is maybe 1 mark or 2 marks question in your PUC. Enough. PUC level this much. Competitive level is important. See, it will need a J range level. How it will be. Now, keep in mind, we are getting here ether. This is ether. Then, what are the reactant left side? We can break left side also. We can break right side also. We can any one side. If you break this one, then add this side is X, add any plus right side. Then that is only the reactant. Yes or no? Because sometimes they may give the product, then we have to write the reactant. That's why I gave one product. Then what are the maybe the reactant? What are the maybe reactant? One possibility. This is a possibility 1. Rx plus NaOR. If you break here, that time this is Rx. That means this is not there now. Because possibility of this taking now. Then this is Rx. And this will be RO. RO Na. Both are same or different? Same. Because here alkyl groups are same given. Here any difference not given. If it is R, O, R dash like this given, then what are the possibilities? Similarly like this only one possibility here bond breaking. If here bond breaks, then possibility of alkyl halide is Rx plus NaO R dash. If bond will break here, then this is alkyl halide R dash X plus Na, here NaO R. Now these are different or same? Different. Because here alkoxide is R dash. But here alkoxide is which one? only R is there. That's why where bond breaking takes place, we have to very carefully observe because these are very, very important. So now I will give here this is RO Na. O minus Na plus, consider this is. Now we have to treat with this alkyl halide. RO, this is whatever this is, no problem. Now I am treating this is with methyl NeX. I am not indicating here except fluorine here. X is chlorine, bromine, iodine, but not fluorine because fluorine is not good living if you are studying SN1, SN2 also. Now, NaX along with this RO and CH3. RO, CH, this ether. Now we can take the one CH3, CH2X. Now I am taking this one, primary alkyl halide. When these are primary, then which type of reaction takes place? SN2. When it is primary, then which reaction takes place? SN2. Now Na and X, this is common, NaX, and this one RO, next is CH2, CH3. This is also easy. Now we can take the secondary alkyl halide. If you take the secondary alkyl halide, then this reaction already you are studying the elimination reaction because RO minus is good base also and good nucleophile also. Base also, nucleophile also. Now we are discussing about which type of reaction to form the ether. It forms both because when primary there is no discussion, it is compulsory SN2 reaction. When secondary tertiary is there, it both. Which one? Elimination also, substitution also. Already I told you in the before reaction. When secondary almost is there, generally it goes to both reaction. But which is major? Elimination always major than the substitution. So now this one again. So what are the product possible? First we are going to prepare ether. That's why I write the ether. This is X eliminated, that is NaX, and this OR. Along with this, what is the product form? This is also formed because this elimination product from this one hydrogen, one X eliminated. Then in these two, which is major? This is major. This is minor. When secondary alkyl halide onwards, secondary tertiary is there, that leads to which one? Elimination is major than the substitution. That's why here both reactions are there. One is SN2 also is there, another one is E2 also is there. Okay. Next, one more tertiary will take here. This tertiary alkyl halide. Tertiary alkyl halide always leads to which one? Major. Elimination only, there is no substitution. That's why substitution ether not form anywhere here. That's why I am writing here elimination only the major product. There is no substitution product. Along with this RO and one H, ROH alcohol form here. Because here one hydrogen is there. Because total 3 hydrogen, CH3 this is nothing but CH3. So from one CH3, one hydrogen loss. Hydrogen got by this RO minus, that is RO and H, ROH. This Na and X, that is formed NaX. Clear this is? Now we can go for which one? Benzyl alkyl halide. This is, you know, that CH2X. CH2X. Benzyl is that it may goes for elimination also, substitution also. But elimination possible here? No. If it is elimination is there is no double bond form here. That's why compulsory here SN2 reaction Here SN2 reaction and it form ether. CH2OR. Along with this NaX. Sorry, I told you when benzyl alkyl hydrogen SN1 also, SN2 also. There is no elimination. That is a key point. I forgot and labeled elimination. There is not elimination because double bond formation not possible with one carbon. That's why here it gives SN2 reaction, SN1 also, SN1 also, SN2 also. But when SN1, when SN2, how to decide? It depends upon the solvent and depends upon the nucleophile. R2 minus is good nucleophile only. That's why it is SN2 reaction. If it is weak nucleophile is there, it means without negative charge, only neutral nucleophile is there. That it is SN1. But any negatively charged nucleophiles are there, that is a strong. Okay. Next, if vinyl is taken, allyl also take no problem. Allyl also give the same ether. Now I am taking vinyl part. CH2 double bond CHX. Now this bond breaking is difficult. This bond breaking is difficult. When bond breaking is difficult, this will do not undergo any substitution reaction or elimination reaction, both not possible. So this is a clear detailed discussion of Williamson synthesis ether reaction. But again, some other equations are there that also I want to discuss. I hope I discussed with all primary to secondary, tertiary, allylic, benzylic, vinylic. So these are only the alkyl we discussed in the haloalkane chapter and in alcohol also. So how they reacted? Sometimes they may do like this also. ROH react with the sodium metal, they form